Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by shutting down the Macbook and unplugging accessories. This prevents shorts and accidental wakes. Once done, position the laptop on a flat surface with a soft cloth under it to avoid scratches, and use a flashlight to inspect the Magsafe connector for lint or damage. Now, orient the connector so you can see the locking pins. This lets you control the release motion. Make sure your hands are dry and steady before attempting the first gentle pull. Next, press any visible release tab lightly while holding the connector housing. You do this to disengage the magnet without bending the cable. Then, grip the plastic housing, never pull on the cord, and pull straight out with an even, steady motion. Twisting risks bending internal pins. If it resists, stop and clear debris using a toothpick or short burst of compressed air. This prevents damage. Once the connector separates, lay the cable flat and inspect both ends for wear. Finally, examine the Magsafe tip and the MacBook port closely for bent pins, blackened contacts, or melted plastic. This explains connection failures. Once visually cleared, reconnect briefly to confirm charging or test the charger on another compatible machine to isolate the fault. If the light doesn't change, or if pins are damaged, stop using the charger. You could short the board. One key troubleshooting tip: if debris is the issue, compressed air usually helps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.